for kids cheat, but yet still cheat a key, and me come shoot up cheap. But no bounce, no water slide, no merry-go-round, nothing of that, no music, no play, nothing. For the kids them enjoy themselves. But yet still me come shoot up them cheap. Dog, every boy I charge it. Every pussy I bring us charge it. Afraid of me like puss dog. And I no say, me I tell you say me can't dead I bring us can't kill me. But no pussy no up I bring us to stand up to man. If me fi go up at that, no. Well lift up 2 things and say me I go up at that. No boy.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Well, Siren from Riverton, the bad boy, him there, him still attack. This is the part 3 and hopefully this is the last one. Boy, it's a long piece of audio. But me I listen it and me I profile it, and it seems like Siren and the Blingers them used to spar. Him say from him a little boy him a roll with them. Some things go down, him say then send him go to prison. The Blingers them from out of Riverton, because any man them can't kill, them a go use police kill them. That is nothing new in Jamaica. We know from the situation police been working with bad man and them things, so that's not new. So sit back and we are going to listen some more and then we are going to interject. Let's go.
No boy, a police me say them have to use. Cause me tell you the motto is any man them can kill, them pay police to kill. You get me? So as me say, me want somebody come tell me one of them murder them. When me just talk about say I no Blingers them do it. Somebody come tell me that. And when me attack, me not hiding. So some man if you hide and use up them computer. Because when me attack, me not hide. Dog, me fully body no youth. And everybody a dog a bill me a bill. Me can't tell any boy and any girl this on me heart. So who no want know me and can say me Siren a bait and Siren a fool. Right, let me tell you something, dog. Let me tell you something. Siren is no saint. Siren is no saint. Siren is no pretty boy. My dad, a bill, me a bill. My dad, me can fuck up a place. Me can stir up a place. Me can ramstack up a place. If me want, youth, me come from jail 5 months now, youth. Why him would have go up a Blingers now go fire shot you? When me could have kill any man from Blingers during the time me come from jail, brother. Why him would have go up go fire some wild shot when them claim say them a keep a cheat?
Well, it seems like Siren a plead him case cause the man them a say boy him come up at the treat and shoot up the treat. But him say them a keep treat and them have nothing for the picnic them, and him personally wouldn't do that cause I say him a bad man. Him a go take it to them. Him not go do like what the boy them doing at St. Catherine where shoot up the football match and kill 3 people and wounded 6. Him a say boy him a take it straight to them cause him a bad boy. Him a say boy him know say him can dead but him better than them youth up a Blingers. So pretty much it seems like Siren, the gangster yeah, him come out and I defend himself and I say yo, him a war but him not go do no idiot thing. Let's go finish listen to this and me I will interject. Alright, let's go.
Dog, that not make no sense to you, me fully bad. Any boy or girl from Riverton can tell us that Blingers now no man at all in a Riverton can't war with me, brother. No man, no care how much money them have, no care how much gun them have, them can't war with me, brother. A 5-6 day what a gunshot me deal with bad man. When me a war you, me not sleep a day and night. Me give boy a gunshot. Me make you can't cook food in your eat, in your yard. You me make you can't sleep you. Me make you afraid to go your own gate go look you. When me a war with boy you, dog me mad, me psycho, me sick, me cheap you. Dog, but me a bill and some pussy a try jam me out in a youth. And I ramp with me name and my career in a youth. And me come and me therefore come from jail in a youth. And I youth me a the maddest mama bomb buckler down a that. But me nah do no badness from me come from jail. Alright, tell them to tell you something when me come from jail and do. Anything where them can talk about now upon the media and how me do before me go to jail or what them say me do before me go to jail in a charge. But nothing where from me come from jail them can't say me do charge. You hear that blingers them say them I keep cheating. Me no see no bounce. Me keep cheating a crime town. And anybody can tell you bounce, water slide, merry-go-round, music I play, book I give a ice cream, cheat chip, everything for the kids them. So all blingers I keep cheat. And nobody no know about that. We no see no bounce, we no see no water slide, we no see nothing. But yet still blingers them a spend so much money. Bad man too.
So you hear what Siren I say, he must say boy from him come from jail is like him put on the badness. Him say him a keep film space, stay wide from man and man. In the earlier part 2 you hear him say them blow shot off him. And him not even shoot back. And it seems like them have a campaign against the youth here. Now him go through some things cause him brother dead, him brother-in-law dead, bully pan friend them dead. Which he must say him not innocent, he not back certain man, but he must say no, I lie the man them a tell upon him up a blingers. Me want know how police nah check out them thing here. Me want know how the bad man them have more intel than the police, and the police them have trillions of dollars with the government a give them. Them nah do them job. Let's go, we'll listen some more of this.
Bad man 2013 me keep a cheat down a Riverton. As me tell them me a juvenile, me nah make money like no boy a blingers. And me tell you something, and any man and every man a blingers a make money. That 2 man a blingers alone name you can't hear call for no murder. We said them directly shoot a man. A Billy and Ricky. Because of them are the only 2 boss them are blingers. No other boss no they are blingers but Billy and Ricky. Every other else man are blingers are gunman them. But we use business to cover up with things. No other man are blingers and no businessman. Every bomb buckler man are blingers are gunman. Except Billy and Ricky. The 2 of them have 2 licensed gun. But at them buy the gun them, they shot them, came in response to the gun them. 2013 me keep cheat a Riverton, bounce, water slide, everything for the youth them. So me see them a put up some thing on the media. And I talk about what me do. Tell them to tell you something what me do since me come from jail. Don't talk about what me do when me go jail for already. Nobody talk about what me go jail for already. Cause if me do it to the proof in the court, I would have got prison. Cause I wanna spend money to send me to prison. So it eventually proves that me don't do it. So the world see that. But me want to tell me 1 man from blingers will ever go to jail for 1 murder where me just talk about.
Why? Why me I laugh but it not funny. Now, none of the man them are blingers no go to prison, you know. And go to jail, you know. And them a say boy you have Billy and this other youth up there, them are the boss, them have them license gun. And a them a buy guns for the rest of man them. And him say boy you have a special man we are in charge for the gun them. Yo B, me not in charge for no gun. When gun go missing, then the man them a go come blame me. And then next thing you know, me in a problem, man want kill me over gun. And then think that yo, the man them are some sick mother effer yo. It's crazy. But yo, Siren, me a listen yo. And me kinda understand now what you try do. You try bring your point out there that what the man them a blame you for, no, you didn't do it. and them do whole heap more things than you, cause like you said, them never go jail for a murder yet. And it's funny, cause me come from Jamaica, and me come from a place near Riverton and Seaview and them place there, and yo, me never know so much things are going on in a them little area there. Let's go, we'll listen some more.
Every man from Blingers, the man them have Hunts beer in a them pocket. Hunts beer belongs to Blingers. So the thing is, no man from Blingers. So the one is we got him rich, we got jail with the mercy of God make him better any money, him a come a road. If him not come a road, them have to just use style to send him a prison. But him now get more and I remember in a soldier jeep him shoot up. I say if I did me, my name cause I say me shoot up that soldier. So if I did siren them say shoot up that soldier jeep there. God me can tell you say no police still living in my yard youth. When me get wall. Can tell you say no the police now ram stuck up a Blingers. I see the day when the whole heap shot them fire, you see if the man them they go over came yard and go search, them would have find more than 15 speng shell over the yard right at the fence where the man stand up and fire the shot them can't take up the whole of them speng shell there by the time police and soldier reach. You see me, but as me say, them say me fire the shot them, so everybody I go run with that, and from police hear my name and that them want, cause once the police them want kill me more than anything in the world. Once be a police them want kill me more than anything in the world. So me now feel bad for once be a police them want kill me. Since all if a man cause a man just shut up siren, a siren shut up the man, all them be down hospital lie down with 10 shot in me. You hear that them say me shut up the man all and me have 10 shot in me. You see me, that's how much once be a police them want kill man, my friend. But as me say, me not actually do no badness now. Me I go and watch them. Dog from the day me born and a bad. A Riverton, no man, never, ever fire shot off of me yet, you know, you. The first man in a history of Riverton ever fire shot off of me. I came to do that in a way the end of dog. No man never do that in the history of badness of Riverton, you know, you. But as me said, Blingers them are saint and them are businessman. But I want somebody come tell me one of them murder ya what me just talk about say and no Blingers them do it. Just come tell me that. I mean I tell you I still have more, you know, when me no member right now cause told me that jail when majority of them are take place. Me not remember them, but as me say, somebody come tell you. I got some people and comment in the comment and tell you about one when me not talk about. You see me, so I want to see it.
Why the man I give out the whole thing, he might tell you how the system a work. And this is not new, you know. Because yesterday, I listen dub scene with Wayne Lonesome. And the same thing from election, people them a stuff ballot box, them a give the politician, them a give the man them gun this, that. And this is the way it turn in a. Where now, the world open up, the man them have enough information and I like one time so man can get them gun this that and the gang thing just catapult into another stage, and that's what's going on in Jamaica. Boy siren from when you see now the man them have a bag of money and you don't have no money. You need for Lego badness, you need for Lego this so. And you just need to change your life and become a productive member of society. Lego Riverton, Lego all of that. I know you're angry, but yo, try run with go foreign, try do something. Go on small island, but you need to Lego this my youth, because from where you are say, the man them have the place pan lock. Them have more money than you. Them a work with police, them a work with MP. And nobody now believe you them a throw all of the thing pan and I saw Jamaica stay. Countryman can't go to Jamaica right now. Me a par with some man as friend and them say yo, I me a supply all of the gun them. And I saw the thing set.
Listen, but as me I tell you, once be a police them dog, nothing I go, don't need Blingers them. Blingers them I go always I do them thing, because them I spend the money. You see? And me not spend the money. Because they hear them tell me I cruff, me I slug, me I nobody. Them say me a cruff, me a slug out, me nah make no money, me a wait, but yet still them a say a money me use buy out my case them make me come from jail. Boy, me I tell you them people are confused, God. Very, very confused. But me I tell you, say brother, where there, me not fire no shot off and nobody a blingers. Me I go about my business, brother. Chemist stay upon him fence and fire barrage a shot off of me. Fit nothing at all. People them church a keep bad man. You see me? But as me said, everything normal. Me can make blingers them have to prove themselves, you know, like what everybody else blingers have bait. Me can make them have to prove themselves, just like when me da jail and them a walk around and kill off everybody in the place and I do be a fuck, you know, dog, and I say them around the whole place, you know, dog. Me can make them have to prove themselves again, you know.
Back in the days, the bad man thing was to provide security for the people them in the neighborhood because of the political jamboree and the political conflict. The political bacchanal. If you don't know what bacchanal means, it means mix up. So the political bacchanal, I saw the man them, bad man them used to defend the neighborhood them. But like me say, in my research from over the years, because I'm a big man now, the IMF and the World Bank and them really set the policy. And they, like I said, there was a paper going around to get rid of the dons them or protect the neighborhood so that the gangs them can split up and them can annex the neighborhood them and then people can come in and buy out the land and the property, put in them security or whatever and raise up the price of the people them property. It look like a that go on at Jamaica. Annexation. Now, now listen to the rest of this and me go wrap it up. But yo, Siren, like me I say, you not have no money, dog. The man them have more money than you. Right now it look like you are chill. You know deal with certain things, but you need to Lego Riverton. Let's go.
To the whole Riverton and to anybody when I know them were attacking or charge or who's to ever want rain and everything. Cause me tell you that me not have to hide and do nothing that. Cause me tell you anybody when know me a mad man charge. But as me tell you dog, from me come from jail, bill me a bill charge and a normal up dog, is it? And stay so hold it. Yeah, me I tell you, normal me a normal up charge. Me no sin a man from me come from jail. And let me tell you so up there so which part me a walk is no blingers. Me walk anywhere me want walk. Born a Riverton. Me no care who want say me should, better me walk anywhere. So if a man see me and fire shot off of me, if me feel like say me want defend that, me defend that. If me feel like say them a dopey but them there. But if me want defend that, me lift up something and go defend that. And nothing can stop that dog. But as me show you, me no trouble no man. So yeah, what them done say me. So for me go even defend it, to come like say, just me just say yeah, what normal upside. And watch you all pray, you see me? How about this man? No, it normal man. What a game.
Boy, Siren, you said your piece. And now me trying to understand where you come from. Yo, the man them not like you. You understand? Them want to get rid of you. Cause it seems like you know the bugger every. It look like you stand up and defend the right thing. And the man them not like it in our community. So like you say, you come out of jail, you are bill. The man them fire shot off for you. And this and that, and you still a bill. Me give you enough respect for that, my youth. Enough respect. Because yo, you took the higher road. The only thing you need to do now, like me said, be careful. Even though you're born and grow a Riverton, you don't see where I go on. The people them in the ghetto, them licky, them we know the blingers them a do things, and through them and get money and food and this and that, them nah say nothing. You understand? And that's the problem in the ghetto. It's very unfortunate. But my youth, you have to have an exit plan. I know you not go to no police, cause you don't see how the police them things they are Jamaica and things. So yo, you have to take care of yourself, take care of your family, change your life, change the people them you are around, change your community. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And click on another video. And this is the end of the Riverton Gangster Speak Out. I'm out.